Hello, people. So, there is this show called Dark. Really, this whole concept of time travel, and I've noticed that many of these European based dramas or, series, uh, I mean, it has a very somber, grim backdrop, so really, Dark it's trending on the literally number one spot, or is among the top three that I'm sure of. So in India, among the shows that are doing really well on Netflix. So that's what I made sure to watch. I mean, there are three seasons, and each season has like I think 10, 12 episodes. So I had seen a little of season one, and then season three also that has been recently released. So it's the kind of show that will give you goosebumps, yeah, because it involves this whole thing of a person coming back in time, and such a show can hardly be, you can't really describe it. You need to see it to experience it. So really, people, you all should experience Dark, because it is a very different show on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.